Do you love handmade gifts? No, I'm not talking about awkward creations from Pinterest. I'm talking about beautiful, 100% natural gifts worthy of a boutique you can craft yourself. Aromatic best salt that won't clump in a jar after a week. Or amazing best chocolate that melts in water, fills your bath with a delightful aroma and cares for your skin. Or aromatic shower oil or natural massage candle. Do you want to know how to make it? Let me show you. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Larnaudie. I'm a certified cosmetic chemist and natural skincare formulator. Here on my channel you're gonna find a lot of different tutorials and I show how to make different cosmetic products. So if you want to learn how to make your own natural cosmetics at home, don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to make 5 different spa products and I'm gonna share with you simple yet professional formulations. All the recipes, additional information and some useful links you're gonna find in the text box below this video. Our first product, bath salt, is not as simple as it might seem. Most DIY recipes merely suggest mix sea salt with some essential oils or maybe dry herbs and transfer it to a jar. There is nothing wrong in this approach except that this kind of salt has a very short shelf life. Salt crystals absorb moisture from the air, causing clumping, and this DIY salt gradually transforms into a lump, which is very hard to extract from the jar. And unprotected essential oils can oxidize with time and you can have some off notes in the aroma. So today we're going to make a more professional version of this product, and in addition to sea salt we're going to add some vegetable oils, which actually takes care of your skin and protects salt crystals from clumping. We're gonna add an emulsifier to dissolve this vegetable oil in water. We don't want this oily residue on the bathtub. And we're gonna add an antioxidant, vitamin E, which is gonna protect our nice and natural essential oils from going rancid. Weight the salt. Then in a separate beaker weight all other ingredients, vegetable oil. I use fractionated coconut oil, but you can take any other vegetable oil you have at hand, the emulsifier, and essential oils. I use my favorite lavender and grapefruit. Finally, vitamin E. Some dried lavender to make it beautiful. And now we need to mix everything thoroughly to distribute our oils. The shelf life of the salt is about 6 months. Don't forget to attach a beautiful label with best Christmas wishes. This luxurious oil cleanses skin very gently. It turns into cleansing milk upon contact with wet skin with water, a delightful product that is very easy to make. You're gonna need just 4 types of ingredients. You're gonna need some vegetable oil. This is a base of our product. Today I'm gonna mix various types of vegetable oils to enhance the sensory profile of my product, but actually you can take only one type of oil. For example, sweet almond oil. Then you're gonna need an emulsifier. An emulsifier is a special kind of ingredient because it helps to bond water with oil, and that is how our best oil washes away from the skin. You're gonna need some essential oil of choice, and you're gonna need an antioxidant, vitamin E. Vitamin E will protect our best oil from going rancid. Today I'm going to use a green emulsifier which is called polyglycerol 4-oleate. It is approved for organic cosmetics, but if you can't find it, you can also use polysorbate 80, which is much easier to find on the different websites. In a clean, dry container, weight your oils. I use almond oil and add some cocoa silicone. This is a natural emollient that improves the spreadability of our shower oil. If you don't have it, you can just use almond oil. I'm gonna also add a little bit of buriti oil because it gives the product a beautiful orange color. And now we're mixing our emulsifier, essential oil, and antioxidant. I use grapefruit, pine, and ginger essential oil for a fresh, invigorating scent. Et voila, our shower oil is ready. As I mentioned before, it's really easy to make. The texture of your best oil will strongly depend on the base oil that you use, and it's better to opt for lighter oil with good spreadability on the skin. For example, sweet almond oil is a nice choice. Avoid using thick oil, like for example castor oil. They are not suitable for this project. Please remember that you have to protect your best oil from water, so it's better to use a bottle with pump or tight cap. This is my all-time favorite gift. Solid bars made from natural oils dissolve in water, filling your bath with a delightful aroma and taking care of your skin. And it looks great. In the gift box, very Christmassy. Don't forget to put a label, not a food, because it can be very easily mistaken for real chocolate. You'll need the cocoa butter, soybean wax. You can use any other vegetable waxes with a low melting point, like for example Miraca fruit wax, shea butter or mango butter, and an emulsifier. I use polyglycerol for oleate. This is our mixture, and now I'll place it in a double boiler to heat. And while my oils are melting, I'll weight my aromatic components. I use natural cocoa extract, which has a strong chocolate scent, but you can also use fragrance oils or essential oils of choice. Don't forget to add an antioxidant to protect our oils from oxidation. My oils have melted. Now I will dissolve the aromatic components into them and pour the mixture into silicone molds. Now place it to the fridge for an hour to harden, and once set, remove it from molds and leave it to air dry for 24 hours. It's best to roll best chocolate in baking paper or put it in a jar, because with regular gift paper it may leave greasy marks. And again, don't forget to attach a beautiful label with your best wishes. Please note that the hardness of your bars will strongly depend on the climate. If your room temperature is around 22-24 degrees Celsius, that's what I have here. I live in French Alpes and it's quite cool here already. The bar will remain solid. But if you live in a hotter climate, it can start melting a little bit, so you will need to adjust my recipes. Check the text below this video for more explanations. Pillow mist probably is the simplest recipe in this video, because you'll need only 3 types of components. You're gonna need the distilled water, alcohol, and essential oils of choice. And we mix essential oils with alcohol first and then combine it with water. Voila, the product is ready. In a clean, disinfected glass, pour distilled water. In another glass, pour alcohol. I'm using 96% ethanol, but you can also use isopropyl alcohol. Mix essential oils into the alcohol. I add estragon, petitgrain, lavender, chamomile, and vetiver essential oils. These oils help stimulate the production of melatonin, a hormone that plays a critical role in sleep. But as I said, you can choose other oils that work better for you. Now mix everything and pour it into a glass bottle. For this spray, it's best to use a dark glass bottle to protect the essential oils from light. Message candle is a product which is made from natural waxes with very low melting point and natural oils. You light the candle, you let it burn briefly to melt waxes and oils. Then you put out the fire, wait a little bit to cool down the mixture, and then you apply this warm mixture on your skin. It's very nice. This mixture is an excellent massage oil, and it nourishes and moisturizes your skin. You can use any jar as a container for a message candle, but I like to pour it into milk jugs. I found them at a flea market. looks beautiful, and they're convenient for pouring the warm mixture onto skin. You'll need high quality soy wax, some shea butter. Now melt it in a double boiler and prepare your essential oils. My base is ready. Now I'll quickly mix in the essential oils and pour the mixture into the jugs. Now leave your candles to set for 24 hours. Et voila, your gift is ready. Very important, the mixture can become like really hot. You can burn yourself, so never pour the mixture directly on the skin. You put out the fire, wait a little bit, and then test the temperature of the oil with your finger. If it's okay, if it's not too hot, then you can apply it directly on your skin. Okay, we've made best salt, best chocolate, shower oil, pillow mist, and what else did we make? We've made so many. Massage candle, of course. You will also find all the recipes in the text box below this video. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.